Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit posted Instagram posts. So for example, you've already post a picture or a video and you want to edit them, you can do that. So just go to your profile and go to the photo that you want to edit. For example, this one. When you want to edit, just click on the three dots icon at the top of the photo, and here you'll find the edit option, and here is what you can edit from the post. You can edit the location. You can add some location into the posted picture. You can also tag another people, and you can also edit the text here, the alternative text, and also the caption. And when you're done with the editing, you can just click on the check icon at the top, and your posted Instagram post has been added into a new version. Okay, so that's it for me. That is how you can edit posted Instagram posts. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.